It's a new toy from Aunt Renee.
Aunt Renee got you a new toy. You want to come up the steps? Come up the steps. Come on.
Whee!
You want to come around this way?
I didn't think he liked slides.
He does.
He likes to go up the wrong way.
Yeah, I know he likes that part.
Look. Go ahead. Climb up the slide. Oh. Look at you. Can you get that other foot around? There you go. Ready?
Do it again, Mommy. Yay! Do it again.
Yay!
Do it again.
Oh, Mommy's such a good idea.
Come around this way. Come on.
Whee! Go to Mommy.
Come on.
Mommy, help.
Want me to help? Help. Come on. Come on. He does not like. Look. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Is that how you get up? Is that how you get up?
It's hard to get up that way, John.
Come
Yeah, it's
around.
easier to go up the steps.
Come around.
That's a boy.
Up the steps.
So much easier.
Climb the ladder.
Mommy, help.